Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the wireless card in your laptop. This is a new wireless card that we are going to install in this laptop. It's AR5B125. I'll give the link of this card in video description, so if you are interested you can buy it from there. Now, first step is we have to remove the original card in this laptop. So we have to unlock these clips. We have to remove the battery, remove this cover. Now this is the original card in this laptop. So first step is to remove this card. So we have to remove the antenna wires. The wires are removed. Now we have to remove the two screws. As you can see, this is the card. So we are going to replace it with this card. This is the latest one. So first step is to install the card. It's a very simple process. Now you have to put these antenna clips back on their slots. Now it's time to install the battery. Now it's time to start the laptop to check whether the Windows has automatically picked the drivers or not. So as you can see, the driver of the card has been automatically installed by Windows. So if you can see, these are the wireless connections available. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is follow the instructions given in this video. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.